Fourth quarter about to begin. Fortea, Sleet, Ramos, Torres, and Alarcon on the floor, magkasabay. Razon, Tayungtong, Celis, Biton, and Kamson para sa Caloocan. Alarcon against Tayungtong. Harold lost it, he recovers. Bigay kay Andres Ramos, masyadong malakas. Raylan Torres, put back is good.
Much better offense that time for San Juan. Trying to exploit the advantage on the post of Alarcon on Toyongtong. He draws two defenders. Finds Ramos slightly open. Torres on the weak side to clean that up.
Robbie Celis against Patrick Sleet. Robbie lost it. Good challenge by Patrick Sleet. Fortea quickly to Torres. Torres. Oh. What a hesitation move there.
Turnaround jumper.
He left it short. Joko Tayungtong. Binabantayan ni Harold Alarcon. Kamson.
That's
Over
money.
Ramos.
That is money.
Alam mo na no?
Oh, position pa lang niya eh. The way he wanted the basketball was pushed out a little bit, but still in his range. Iba talaga pag maganda ang bitaw.
Alarcon, separation, jumper won't go. Biton with the rebound, takbo ang Caloocan. 3-on-2. Razon is open. The three is good. So many shot makers on the floor, Christian. And if it's not open, alam mo na kung ano mangyayari.
And I like the poise of Chris Biton. We mentioned the embarrassment of riches for the guard play for both teams. Biton, I thought, is the one that is really capitalizing. Tulad ng sidestep move na yon. Slicing through the middle is Patrick Sleet.
Ganda. Ganda.
Gotta love the sidestep.
Oo.
That's why I miss Manu Ginobili.
Yeah. Biton. Myers.
Yung sidestep hindi yung buhok.
Okay. Kala ko kasama na yun.
The first version, yung mahabang buhok pa niya.
Fortea. Bigay kay Aldrich. Natapik ni Tayongtong. Aldrich able to recover. Terence fires. Still no good. Torres with the offensive rebound. Fade away. Still no go. Aldrich Ramos. Ayaw pa rin. Aldrich. Eric Kamson helps him up.
This was the play by Biton. That deceptiveness, no? Pinibenta niya yung atake sa gitna and then last minute na find. Ito yung behind the back pass si Terence kay Sleet on the side step.
Sarap ulit-ulitin. Yung kay Patrick Sleet.
Pwede ko na maulit-ulitin.
Di naman sa totoong laro. Dito lang sa imagine lang. Tabla tayo. 3 minutes gone by in the fourth.
And he wants this matchup against Soyun. Pero kita mo naman, trying to fish for the foul. Kamson.
Manangit. Masyado malalim. Kamson. Razon. Baba sa ilalim. Eric Kamson. No good. Villapando loses the handle. Step on the line. Ran out of space. No whistle.
Sabi ni Villapando, natulak daw siya pero wala kang pito. Hindi pwede i-challenge yun no? Tama? Dahil walang pito.
Chris Biton goes back to the bench. 52 all. Razon to Jammer. Now with Joko. Cabanag is on the floor as well. Tayungtong gets past Abadiano. Jammer, one-hander. Can't get the roll. Soyud with a rebound. And it's on to Terence Fortea. Manny Bay is the digital wallet built for the community. Soyud able to draw the foul. So, 2 free throws coming up para kay Kuya Raul Soyun.
But this is always an interesting time para sa mga ganitong klaseng teams, no? On the part of the coaches. I know we're in preseason and you can just see na, you know, for the most part, coaches are distributing the playing time equally, right? We've seen it at Quezon with the platoon substitutions. I have yet to watch Abra, but I'm gonna assume that's kind of like the thing they're doing, right? But sa mga ganitong laro, kahit preseason lang, tingnan natin if coaches are tempted to go with their last 5 guys to try to win the ball game.
Ronnie Matias will check in the next end for Cabanag. They go to Jammer against Raul. Hamito, short. Soyud with the rebound. Bigay kay Fortea. Andiyan na sa loob si Orlan Romar. And Jerry Abadiano as well. Fortea's runner. It's short. Raul, no. Nabik napunta kay Jeremer Cabanag. Razon. Good close out there by Villapando. Cabanag launches. Hamito got away with a push there. A foul on Orlan Romar. Balik si Eric Capson and Ronnie Matias. And Kian Baclan as well. Lalim talaga ng dalawang kupunan, eh, no?
Oo. Alam mo, importante dito sa mga ganitong klaseng koponan, hindi pwede mga pusong mamon. Yung tipong matagal ka nakaupo, tapos nagtatampu-tampuhan ka na. That's a foul, clearly. Pero, trying to say otherwise is Jello Razon. Pero mo kung sinalubong niya, no? Let's see on the replay.
Let's watch this right here.
Yeah, that's a foul.
Yeah,
That's a
momentum
foul.
niya eh.
Oo, momentum niya.
Although Orlan Romar,
Yeah, may konting ano rin.
in-exaggerate niya rin yung contact.
Exaggerate niya.
(53-52). Halfway through this final quarter. Coach's challenge muna tayo. Magbabalik kami.
Upon review, the challenge was unsuccessful.
Bilis ang desisyon ni referee Alan Manzano doon. Tsaka ni...
Ayun!
Bakit ayaw mo sa ano? O sige, doon na tayo. Bakit naman doon?
Hindi ako yan, ha? Hindi ako yan.
Yung tipong...
Valentine's Day ngayon,
Oo
uy!
nga eh. Eh, ganun nga yung mga usapan eh. Sa tayo dinner mamaya. Sige, doon tayo sa ano, ha?
I-google mo kahit ano, lalabas kaya? Kahit anong restaurant.
Wala lalabas. Ang lalabas doon, away. Yun. Two for three for Orlan Romar, 55-52. Razon to Cabanag. Matias. Villapando nakabantay sa kanya. Baba sa ilalim kay Capson. Natapik ni Soyun. Balik kay Capson. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Nice move by Eric Capson. No good. Can't get the roll.
Sa mukha.
A little frustration being shown there by Eric Capson.
They're gonna review this.
Might be an upgrade here.
Could be. Intentional or not. But I don't think it was intentional because if that happens in the front court, somebody going for a layup, tinamaan ng ganun sa mukha, di ba? Usually, ina-upgrade nila eh.
Yeah, good sign of sportsmanship here between Eric Capson and Raul. Just a regular foul.
Okay. So, incidental, no? Mawangin lang yung tingin nila ron.
Yun, natamaan dito sa kanang bahagi.
Oo.
This is the three-guard combo that Caloocan employed nung endgame nila.
Razon Baclan in Bitoon.
Oo. Usually it might end up with Camson and Robbie Celis down the stretch. Villapando, atake. No, Soyud though, with a stick back. Attracting a couple of defenders there was Villapando. Kaya nalibre si Raul para sa offensive rebounds. Now 5-point lead for the San Juan Knights.
That's a great point you made because I know nagsorry kagad sa bench itong si Villapando but he doesn't realize his penetration opened up the offensive rebound of Soyud.
They go inside. Matias out-muscling Villapando for two.
Dun dapat siya talaga mag-sorry. Because that was just too easy even though Matias was given a screen. You gotta learn how to fight through that.
LGR, the official outfitter of the MPBL. No sign, partner, no sign of Mike Calisaan, huh?
Right. Ito fourth quarter, no? Has yet to see action. Tinawagan si Ronnie Matias and had quite the staring game to official number 11.
Torres.
Jumper.
Masyado malakas. Villapando with another rebound. Looking for Abadiano. Jerry gets it to Wamar. The jumper, no.
Torres once again right there. Yeah. That's his specialty.
They forgot about Raylan Torres there.
And that's what makes Raylan Torres who he is. Offensive rebounding, being scrappy. You know, we saw the one in the first half, that direct steal, diving on the floor for the loose ball. He had an offensive rebound earlier and a stick back. Another one right here. 2 shots ang ibibigay sa kanya.
8 points para kay Raylan Torres. Only his second game as a pro.
And you know I had to say those things because nagtampo sa akin to last game eh.
The Bago City yan. You know, Torres is a very famous family name in Bago City.
Oh really?
Yeah. There's Ramon Torres National High School.
Okay.
Ano yan eh? A long time Torres yung mayor dun sa Bago City.
All this time? Bacolod yan, di ba?
Bago City.
Yeah, pero hindi sa... Okay.
That's outside.
Outside of it?
That's the next...
Outskirts?
That's the next city after Bacolod. And that is a city famous,
Okay.
made famous by the Olympians, the Velasco brothers, Onyok and Ruel Velasco.
Okay. Specialty of the house. Jerry Abadiano, thank you for educating me with that. Ikaw, Bacolod ka, tama?
Bacolod.
Tama.
Raul Soyun is also from Bago City.
Okay.
But he grew up just outside Bacolod. Dun sa may border ng Bacolod at Bago.
Interesting,
Si Raylan, sabi niya nga, dun yun siya sa syudad mismo, dun sa may Bago.
Okay. So kung Torres,
Sabi mo, Torres, dapat ano siya dun?
oh,
Royalty.
royalty.
Oo. Hindi ba nagsabi to? Nung nasa UP siya?
Low profile yan.
No profile.
Low profile yan.
Robbie Sell is at the free throw line. Oh no, it's actually Chris Biton. Robbie lang yung nakuha na. 56. To 59. 56-61 rather is the count. It's a little change in our scoreboard here. Torres will launch it. Raylan Torres with another big basket after that stick back earlier. Sleet with a steal. Patrick Sleet on the way to the cup. No. What a turnaround here for San Juan. Biton. 4-3. Yes.
Well, that's a 4-point swing right there of what was supposed to be 5-point swing rather what was supposed to be a layup on the other end to extend the lead. Naging layup sa kabila, but Torres will try to answer, wala.
He checked there for Renan Torres. Baclaan spinning and losing the handle. Back the other way, Abadiano is fouled by Baclaan. Just a smart play from Jerry Abadiano. Kita niya, a little bit of frustration ng Kian Baclaan, inatake niya kagad.
And obviously the right decision for Jerry Abadiano, especially after hitting the jumper but rather a miss. It's a free throw line. I have to say something rare.
That was this game was a bit of a, decided was probably from the 5-minute mark to the 3-minute mark, or to the 2-minute mark of this game, of this ball game. It's fourth quarter.
No, but really San Juan made their run in the third quarter, and you got to give a lot of credit to the guy, number 23 in the white shirt, na nag-dive para sa
And
bola.
your guy right here.
Yeah, si Reyna
Tinuro
Torres
ka pa.
din. Oo. Pero you talk about a guy who has had an impact, no? Villapando, definitely that guy who did not see action in the first half, gets the starting nod to start the quarter. Right there, basket-saving play to get this possession.
Sleet, Bumelo, atake, runner, won't go. Razon comes away with the loose ball. Jello Razon, fouled by Wamar.
Only the 13th foul for San Juan.
They're not out of the woods yet, San Juan.
Definitely. Sa 3 points lang to, one possession game na to. Kaya ta-time out, Kokrokis muna, no? Si Coach Mike of Caloocan. Sobrang puno, pati yung mga players on the bench, nakaupo na sa sahig.
Let's give the people what they want. Bitoon against Torres. Bitoon over Torres. He was well defended by Reynan Torres.
Rebound number 8 for Villapando, all in the second half.
Sleet, Abadiano. Pull up.
Specialty.
No. Rebound Tayong Tong. Kailangan magmadali ng Caloocan dito. Joko. Oh! Villapando. Right place at the right time. That should do it. That should be a foul. Ooh!
Yun lang.
No call. I thought that was a foul. Tayong Tong.
We better see it again. Jerry had to cross half court to avoid the 8-second violation. Forced shot. There you go. That's the game. How about that? I think that's rebound number 10 for Villapando.
And that's it. Huge win for the San Juan Knights. 2-0 in the preseason against this retooled Caloocan team. What a game. What a game this was. What a treat for all the fans here.
First half, but that was pretty much it. But in the fourth quarter, had 7 of the 17 points of San Juan in the fourth. It's really a toss-up between him and Villapando.